All right, we're first squad. We're tasked. Mission purpose is to attack to destroy Objective Phantom. Our purpose is to deny enemy influence. I say again, our task is to destroy enemy mortar team located on Objective Phantom. Our purpose is to deny enemy influence. So we're going to start off in the north at our patrol base, where we'll pass phase line Audi. We'll radio to higher every time we pass one of these phase lines. From phase line Audi, we'll be crossing at LDA down to phase line Beetle. The route we'll be taking is Route Tequila. Once we pass phase line Beetle, we'll be moving down to phase line Costco. Once passing phase line Costco, we'll continue to radio to higher down to phase line Dodge. Once we reach phase line Dodge, we'll continue down to phase line Essex. Passing phase line Essex will bring us to phase line Ford, which is where our ORP will be. From our ORP, we'll radio to higher once we get set. Getting settled in to the ORP is where we will conduct our leader's recon. On our leader's recon, it will consist of Alpha Team Leader, our AG, and a rifleman from Bravo Team. On this leader's recon, we will set up our assault position and our support by fire position and observe our fields of fire. Once we establish this support by fire position and assault position, we will make our way back to the ORP. We also, in the leader's recon, plan for any contingencies that we see on the objective, where we will observe the enemy mortar team and plan for any contingencies found. We'll also set our future phase lines, like phase line Honda and our LOA, and see the enemy composition. So once our leader's recon makes it back to the ORP, we'll conduct CCPs and CPIs, or PCIs, and prepare for the mission. First, the element that will be set up first is Bravo Team at Outpost 1. That's going to be our security element. They'll be set first. Once the security element is set, which is Bravo Team, the weapons team will be set. That's going to be the support by fire element. Once the support by fire element is set, we're going to move our assault team, which is Alpha Team, in to the assault position. Once Alpha Team is set at the assault position, our commencement of attack will be based on an indirect fire method of a 60 millimeter high explosive round on Objective Phantom, on the enemy mortar team. This is what will commence our attack. Once that round hits, support by fire will open up with the 240. Any contingencies with the 240, the rifleman that is also in the support by fire element will shoot practically at the same time if that open bolt weapon system fails. Upon the mortar round hitting on Objective Phantom, our Alpha Team will assault through to PL Honda, where the support by fire will shift fire. The routes taken is going to be DOA Walker for the assault element. DOA Johnny is going to be the support by fire element. DOA Jade for OP1 Bravo Team security element. And DOA Daniels for OP2 Bravo Team security element. After Alpha team assaults through to PL Honda. Support by fire will shift fire, and Alpha team will continue to assault through. Once Alpha team hits that objective line, support by fire is going to lift fire as assault team can assault through. Alpha team can assault through towards the LOA. We also have another indirect fire mortar, 60 millimeter mortar round set at the road higher up here, which will be better depicted on the terrain model and actions on overlay. So for our actions on overlay, this gives us a more in-depth look of our mission. So from our assault position, you can see this is our Bravo team, one of our Bravo team security elements. They're equipped with the javelin. Task is to interdict, purpose is to prevent. So they'll be observing the road, and if there's any enemy vehicles that approach from this road throughout the attack, they will employ that javelin on that vehicle. For our support by fire element, they're equipped with 240. That's our weapons team. Task is to support by fire. Purpose is to allow. For our other Bravo team security element, they're equipped with the 249. Task is to interdict, purpose is to prevent. This is where our assault team is going to assault through. Upon reaching phase line Honda, the weapons team is going to shift that RFL line, which will be better depicted on the terrain model. And our TRPs are also located here, but are also better depicted on the terrain model. Task for Alpha team is to destroy. Purpose is to deny. Once they reach this LOA, we'll conduct lace reports and PCIs, and we can move on to the terrain model. So this is our ORP, where all our teams will start out at. So first is going to be leaders recon with the squad leader, Alpha team leader, and AG. So upon conducting leaders recon, it will come back, relay any contingencies seen to hire as well as the squad, and then we'll set the security element first. So security is going to be set facing these roads. Once security is set, our support by fire element will get set. And the assault team, Alpha team, will move to the assault position. Now, the initiation of our attack is going to be an IDF fire on objective Phantom with a 60 millimeter high explosive round. Upon this round impacting on objective Phantom, the weapons team support by fire is going to initiate with the implication of the 240 Bravo. If that open bolt weapon system fails, the rifleman has also been instructed to fire on impact nearly at the same time as the 240 Bravo to support Alpha team assaulting through. So once Alpha team assaults through, this is going to be phase line Honda. The weapons team is going to shift fire from TRPs 1 and 2 to 3 and 4. This allows Alpha team to continue to assault through. Once Alpha team reaches the very beginning edge of this objective, the weapons team is going to go to lift fire so Alpha team can assault through. So Alpha team will assault through taking the objective, assaulting through to the LOA. Any contingencies for the launch of the attack, such as IDF or 240 opening, will be conducted by radio. If radio fails, there will be a whistle. If whistle fails, we're going to shout. So once Alpha team assaults through, they reach the LOA, they're going to conduct a lace report. Upon the lace report, they're going to search the enemy for any materials that can be found or any intelligence, ensuring these mortars are destroyed. Upon assaulting out of the objective, we're going to radio to support by fire that we're assaulting out of the objective to prevent fratricide. Upon assaulting out of the objective, Alpha team is going to pull out first. Then support by fire. And then Bravo team with the security element. Once gathered at the ORP, we'll radio to higher for further instruction. And we'll make our way back to the patrol base using Route 1, primary route, which can be seen back on our concept sketch, our primary route. If the primary route is now compromised, we'll take our secondary route, which is going to be Route Sunrise. This concludes my brief.